In today's comparison, we're diving into the world of American muscle cars, pitting the 2023 Ford Mustang Mach 1 against the 2023 Chevrolet Camaro SS LE. These iconic machines have been battling it out for generations, and today, we'll explore their specifications and performance to determine which one emerges victorious. Starting with the exterior, the 2023 Ford Mustang Mach 1 exudes classic muscle car vibes. Its bold, unmistakable Mustang design catches your eye instantly. On the other side, we have the 2023 Chevrolet Camaro SS LE, known for its track-focused performance and sharp lines. Both cars have distinct personalities that resonate with enthusiasts. Stepping inside, the Mustang Mach 1 offers a blend of modern and retro elements. Its cabin features a large touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and comfortable seats. Over in the Camaro SS LE, the interior is more driver-focused, with a sporty steering wheel and a minimalist design. It's clear that the Camaro prioritizes performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Mustang Mach 1 packs a 5.0-liter V8 engine producing 480 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, with an automatic option. Meanwhile, the Camaro SS LE boasts a 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out a whopping 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque, also paired with a 6-speed manual. The Camaro clearly has the power advantage. Behind the wheel of the Mach 1, you'll experience that classic Mustang DNA. It's a well-balanced car with a comfortable ride for daily driving, yet it can transform into a beast at your command. The engine roars, and the handling is impeccable, making it an excellent all-around performer. Now, the Camaro SS LE is a different beast altogether. It's designed for the track, and you can feel it. With its immense power, precise steering, and track-tuned suspension, it's an absolute joy to push to its limits. Every bit of that 455 horsepower becomes apparent as you unleash it on the tarmac. In conclusion, choosing between the 2023 Mustang Mach 1 and the 2023 Camaro SS LE, if you seek a well-rounded muscle car suitable for daily driving and the occasional track day, the Camaro SS LE will never disappoint. However, if you're a true track enthusiast craving raw power and precision, the Mach 1 may be your choice. Thanks for joining us today in this epic showdown. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling automotive content. Until next time. Thanks for watching.